I would like to express my greetings for New Year. So all, I think a Tibetan, inside Tibet also, may take this opportunity, New Year. So I want to express Happy New Year. So I believe you people, no matter what sort of physical condition, but mentally, now today, New Year with greeting from Dalai Lama, so you should feel happy. Then the important thing is we should think past year, check if the past year you use properly. That means, you see, if possible, helping other, serving other. If not, at least not harming other. So that's meaningful life. This is too much, also the thinking selfish and exploit other people. Then, you see, your life spent not properly spent. So now, if someone, you see, who carried that kind of life, then now New Year begin. So you should think, now past is past. Now, from next day, a new year, I should be, it's the same physical, same sort of name, but way of sort of life, more compassionate way, more meaningful way. So this is, I want to express as a greeting of New Year. Meantime, you see, New Year, some also the some party and drink. A short moment, happy, but too much drink, then eventually start fight. So then New Year spoil. Happy New Year spoil. So Happy New Year, we should carry it very peaceful, very gentle way. And then not only the New Year, but the whole year